Malika.
Hi, Umar.
Will you be my partner?
Yes, you're my perfect match.
Will you believe in me?
Yes, I believe in you.
Will you lend me your car?
No, I need it today.
Will you dance with me?
Yes, let's dance.
Will you wait for me?
Yes, I will wait for you.
Will you sing for me?
Yes, I will.
Will you pick me up later?
Yes. What time do you finish?
Will you be home for dinner?
Yes, I will be home on time.
Will you read this book for me?
Yes, I will read it tonight.
Will you teach me how to swim?
Yes, I'll teach you.
Will you take care of yourself?
Yes, I'll take good care.
Will you join me for lunch?
Yes, I will join you at noon.